Afternoon. So we're coming to you today from the Loewes Miami Beach Resort on Miami Beach in Miami. So the room that we have to show you today is a city view room. Starting off in the entrance area, we have a large wardrobe. Contained within are your robes, laundry facilities, an ironing board and an iron. There's also a large safe on the wall which is large enough to store a tablet or a small laptop PC. Adjacent to this you then have your fully stocked mini bar, and there are snacks, beverages, alcoholic beverages, wines, all the usuals to be expected. There's then a Keurig coffee machine and possibly the most disgusting coffee you've ever tasted, but that's to be expected when you're staying in the US and you're from Europe. Beneath the minibar are a number of drawers, and then directly opposite the entrance area is the bathroom. It's a really large, bright, spacious bathroom. Of course, you've got a toilet, sink and vanity area with plenty of lighting coming from the mirror. There's also a large walk-in shower, which unfortunately has the most pathetic shower head I've ever had in such a large shower. Really small single beam of water, not very good temperature control, but hey ho, never mind. All of the usual vanity products are included, so shampoo, conditioner, body wash, body lotion, soap, etc. So moving on into the bedroom, we have a large king size bed. There is ample charging facilities on both sides of the bed. Built into the lamps there are US plug sockets as well as 2 USB sockets. There's also additional US outlets on the wall. Bed mattress itself, really comfortable, really soft. It's one of those mattresses where you just sink into it. Downside though is the pillows are also equally soft. So if you prefer a firmer pillow, you may need to ask down to the front desk for something a bit harder. Bed's really high up as well, which can be a little bit inconvenient as most of the furnishings in this room are really high up as well. The sofa and the chair. So doing simple things like putting your socks on, putting your shoes on, means you're already doing it from a great height. First order problems, but it's just a little thing I've noticed. There's loads of additional storage space built into the unit on the side. So there's drawers, cupboards, large I'm going to say about 50-inch TV. Additional water products are provided, and at the bargain price of £9.50 for Fiji artisan water, whatever that may be, that is offered in your room. There's additional US outlets as well as USB charging on each side of the working area, as well as a large lamp, mirror and another chair, which again, like the other chairs in the room, is quite high up. Small little sofa area, there's a lamp, air conditioning. In terms of the view, we're a city view room, so there is a view out of downtown Miami and Ocean Drive just below. AC in the room, really good as to be expected in Florida. You can set it in both Celsius and Fahrenheit, so if you're traveling from Europe, you're not going to struggle to work out what temperature you want your room set at. Each side of the bed also has bedside tables. There's another small drawer on either side for storage. There's a telephone as well. It's a full service hotel, so all of the usuals are included. There's on-site bar, restaurant, pool resort facilities, as well as in-room dining. And that's about it. Thank you very much for watching.